lipas gutom, pwede nga bang mag-cause ng gastritis? Yes guys, you heard it right. Ang ating katawan ay merong biological clock. So, 30 minutes before meal, magsisikret na yan ng hydrochloric acid for digestion. And pag paulit-ulit na ang pangyayari, it will erode the lining of our stomach, causing gastritis and ulcer. And sabi nga ng matatanda, kahit na kaunti ay kailangan kumain, it is for the reason that para ma-use up yung hydrochloric acid and will not cause damage to our digestive system. So sa mga may gastritis and ulcer na hindi gumagaling, bisitahin niyo kami sa aming clinic. This is Dr. Irene Lim. Prevention is better than cure, and health is the best investment.